Hello viewers, hope you're doing well. Today in this video, I'm going to create a method to verify the JWT token to access the authorized API. So let's get started. You can see here the Node.js application. So first of all, I'm going to create a new file under the utils package and name of the file that is a auth middleware. In this file, I'm going to import here the JSON Web Token and the secret key that we have created in the JWT config file. You can see here we are generating the random key. After importing the JSON Web Token, I'm going to import here the secret key from the configuration package. So here we need to add the path of the JWT config file. After importing the JSON Web Token and the secret key, we need to create here the method that is a Authenticate Token. Let me export this function. And here I'm going to add the function name that is a Authenticate Token. Inside the Authenticate Token, I'm going to get the authorization key. So let me add here the request, response, and the next. Let me declare here the variable that is a auth header. And here I'm going to call our request.header method. And we need to get here the key that is a authorization. After getting the key, I'm going to add here the if condition where we need to check if the authorization key is not exist. Then we need to return here the response. Let me add here the status that is a 401, and I'm going to add here the response in the type of a JSON. And the message over here that is a unauthorized missing token. After verification the authorization key, we need to verify the token with the barrier. Let me call here auth header and the JavaScript method that is a split. And here I'm going to add the space. Before the space, we have a barrier, and after the space, we have a token. So I have added here the JavaScript function that is a split to split the string. After getting the barrier and the token, I'm going to add here the if condition where we need to check if the barrier and the token is not exist, then we need to return here the response. Let me return here the response with the status 401. And the message in the type of a JSON that is a unauthorized invalid token format. In case if barrier and the token is valid, then we need to call a method from our JSON Web Token that is a verify. So here we need to pass the token and the secret key. In the argument of the method, I'm going to add here the error and the user. And here I'm going to add if condition where we need to check the error. If we got an error, then we need to return here the response with the status 403 that is a forbidden. And the error message in the type of a JSON. In case if the error not exist, then we need to call here request.user. And here we need to pass the user. And let me add here the method to navigate the request to the actual part of the API. So let me call here next method. Okay. So this is the implementation of the verified token where we are verifying the authorization key. If the authorization key not exist, then we need to return here the response that is a unauthorized missing token. After this, we are verifying the barrier and the token. If the barrier and the token not exist, then we need to return here the response that is a unauthorized invalid token format. After verifying the authorization and the token, we need to verify the actual token. So I have called the method from the JSON Web Token that is a verify, where we are passing the token and the secret key that we are getting from the configuration package. And after that, we are sending the error and the user. And inside the verify method, we need to check the error. If the error exists, then we need to return here the response with the status 403, that is a forbidden invalid token. If error not exist, then we need to navigate the request to the actual implementation of the API. In the next video, we will create an endpoint to get all the users that saved in our DB. That's all for now from my side. I hope you like this video. If you have any confusion, you can do comment, and also subscribe to my channel for more videos and hit the bell icon. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye.